Hello everyone, it's Mike and I look forward to seeing you at the Classic Motor Show at the NEC in Birmingham between the 7th and the 9th of November. There's so much going on, I've had to write it all down. It's going to be an amazing show. It's going to be packed with stuff. Over 3,000 classic cars, the likes of which you've never seen before because we're not repeating last year's cars. We've got 310 car clubs, 300 traders, in fact 350 traders. Got a podcast cafe. Sit down, have a mocha choke, cappuccino-y thing, and listen to some experts waffling on about their cars. Got sporting bears and their dream rides. You've got the restoration workshop. It's just crazy the amount of stuff that we're putting on for you, so you know that you're getting great entertainment and great value for money for your ticket price. Talking of ticket price, why don't I give you a cheeky couple of quid off? It's really easy. Just use the code Mike, M-I-K-E, in capital letters when you book your ticket, and I'll make sure that you get that discount. And I look forward to seeing you between the 7th and the 9th of November, the NEC in Birmingham for the Classic Motor Show. Ta-ra.